Hello friends, how are you? I'm Inamul haq Shah. Today we are going to discuss present perfect tense. So we make this tense by using subject, then helping verbs, then object. For example, Zia has done his job. For subject, then helping verb, and then object. Zia has not done his job. Has Zia done his job? Has Zia not done his job? The first one is positive, then negative, then interrogative, and then negative interrogative. So to make sentences negative, use not after helping verbs, and to make it interrogative, use helping verbs in the start of sentence. And we use has with he, she, and it, and we use have with I, we, you, and they. So now we discuss some uses of present perfect tense. So there are so many uses of present perfect tense. In this lecture, we are going to discuss 3 uses of present perfect tense. So the first one is, we use present perfect tense to talk about experience. Look at these 2 sentences. She has taught English to many students. She taught many students when she was a teacher. So both these sentences shows experience. The first sentence shows her experience of teaching. Of course, she is a teacher. So, and the time period is ongoing. The time period is not finished. And in the second sentence, the time period is finished. The time period is not ongoing. So when the time period is ongoing, we use present perfect tense. And when the time period is not ongoing, the time period is not finished, we use simple past tense, not present perfect tense. Okay? Secondly, we use present perfect tense to talk about recent actions or events. For example, Aman has done her job. Christine has written story. So both these sentences shows recent actions or events. In these sentences, time period is not very important. Time is not important. Completion of the task is very important. That when she did her work, this is not important. Important is completion of her job. And the third one is, we use present perfect tense to talk about something that happened in the past but is very, very important in the present. For example, I can't get in the house. I've lost my keys. Maha is not at home. I think she has gone shopping. So these sentences show something that happened in the past but is very important in the present. Now there are some adverbs or adverbial phrases. So this is a list of adverbs which can be used with present perfect tense. And one thing must be very kept in your mind, that we never use present perfect tense with past adverbs. For example, she has gone to London yesterday. No, she went to London yesterday. We use simple past, not present perfect. So these are the some uses of present perfect tense. So what we have discussed? We have discussed 3 uses of present perfect tense. The first one is, we use present perfect tense to talk about experience. We use present perfect tense to show recent actions or events, and we use present perfect tense to talk about something that happened in the past but is very important in the present. So I hope you got understand. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.